Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure everybody is enjoying Durga Puja to the fullest. And today being the Vijay Dashami, I hope Durga Ma takes away all the negativity from the society and bring hope of light for everyone. And on the occasion of Maha Vijay Dashami, I thought of ending this puja with a sweet note. So I decided to make everyone's favorite Kalakand, and today I'm sharing very easy and quick recipe of Kalakand with you all. So let's get started with our recipe. I'm using white non-fruit vinegar to curdle half liter of milk, and to it I have added 2 teaspoons of vinegar. And once the vinegar is added, we have to properly keep stirring the milk till the chena is completely separated from the water. Next we'll strain the milk using a strainer and a piece of cloth. You can use muslin cloth if you have. It was not available for me, that's why I used a light cotton cloth. Do not discard the leftover water because it has many health benefits and it is very high in probiotics. You can use it in your dals or making your paratha doughs. Next we need to properly wash the chena so that the vinegar water is completely drained out. Next we need to properly squeeze the remaining water from the chena. Kalakand is one of the most favorite sweets of everyone. It was invented by Baba Thakur Das of Alwar in 1947. Kalakand is a delicious combination of cottage cheese or paneer along with some sweet solidified milk. And here you can see some homemade fresh chena is ready. We'll use this chena to make our Kalakands. We'll properly extract the chana from the cloth and we'll keep it aside till we work on the milk. You can see this amount of chana we have got from half a liter of milk. Next we need to add 2 cups of milk to a pan and we have to keep the flame on low. Keep stirring the milk till it comes to a boil. And the milk has come to a boil. You can see once the milk has started to boil, it will get stick to the side of the pan. You need to keep scraping the milk from the side of the pan. Now we'll add the chena to the milk and continuously keep stirring the milk or else it will get stick to the bottom. Friends, please note that we have to do everything on low flame, otherwise the milk will tend to burn. Kalakand is a very easy recipe, but the only thing is that you have to continuously keep your eyes on the pan. That is the only thing you have to do till the milk gets thickened. Next we need to add half a cup of sugar. You can increase or decrease sugar according to your sweetness preference. Once we add the sugar, it will start getting thicker than before. You can check the texture, it has become grainy. And next, for some richness, I have added half teaspoon of ghee. You can entirely skip this step, but I like the rich taste in mithai, so I have added half teaspoon of ghee. You can notice our mixture has become thick now. And friends, please note down from the time I have started the milk to boil till now, it is about 20 minutes. You may require some more time depending on the quality of the milk and your chena. We'll turn off the flame once the water is completely evaporated from the mixture. And immediately on a greased plate we have to take out the mixture from the pan, otherwise it will tend to get hard. Level the mixture with the help of a spoon and give it a proper shape so that we get perfect Kalakand pieces. And finally I have garnished the Kalakands with some chopped almonds. You can use any dry fruits of your choice. We'll tap the dry fruit so that it gets stick to the Kalakand, and our Kalakand is almost ready. Keep it in a fridge for an hour before cutting into pieces. And after an hour I'll take out the mixture from the fridge and I'll cut it into pieces. And friends, the Kalakand has come out really well. You can see the perfect grainy texture on the kalakand, and the taste was also very good. And friends, that's it for today. If you liked my today's recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions, do leave in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel. It's free. And also hit the bell icon for regular notification. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and stay connected.